I think the section impact would be assessed better from the audience and the participants, but I think we covered almost all relevant elements which are currently under a lot of debate and discussion, like the human angle, the legacy frameworks and systems which could be constraining the AI development and application in India, the human in the loop requirement, customer protection, the concerns over digital frauds and cybersecurity threats. So I think it was very comprehensive, and I'm sure there would be a lot of takeaways for the audience, because the participants were experts and specialists in their technical fields. Yeah, there is a great potential and great opportunity, because it can minimize the cost, enhance efficiency. It has potential to simplify customer engagement and improve access and inclusion, which will improve the potential for business. But at the same time, it comes with huge risks which need to be handled carefully. For example, risk management aspects, then governance should be at the core in driving the AI innovations and its integration into the systems and processes. Their care should be taken on the value chains, customer protection should be held at the highest level, and it should largely be for public good. So it needs to be designed in order not so much for returns and for the business, as much for the efficiency, effectiveness, and customer service and customer protection.
All right.
The perspective, since I was the moderator, we tried to cover the entire gamut of issues relating to AI, particularly as we see it evolving over the trajectory of our next decade. AI is transforming from being just an enabler and a support system. It's no longer merely some pilot projects, but it is becoming the nervous system behind the workflows, and it will be soon driving the business outcomes and strategic decisions. So a lot of thoughts came in that direction, which I am sure will help the future journey of AI integration and implementation. Only thing I felt was about the structure of the panel discussion was that the time available was very limited. AI is a very comprehensive and a vast and dynamic segment of business, and if we had to do any justice to the discussion, 45 minutes with 6 panelists was a little constraining. So in future, you could probably consider allowing a little more time, say from 60 minutes to maybe a little over that, so that all aspects can be covered comprehensively. But I'm sure the direction has been provided so briefly, and it certainly will be useful to all the stakeholders who were involved in this event.